Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andam Tuli. If it's your first time joining, welcome. I hope you stay and enjoy it here. If you're returning, welcome back. Please check if you're subscribed. Okay, it's free, you guys, absolutely free. Okay, for today's video, you guys, we're going to be reviewing this round brush. I had to get it, you guys. I've been eyeing this brush, so I just wanted to open it with you, and just give you my honest review on it. I'm not a hair person. I just love convenience. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I'm not a person who likes doing their own hair, mainly because of my arms get tired if I do my own hair, so I rather go to the salon as to doing it myself. I feel like if you can pay for convenience, like why not? And just be pampered, you know. So it comes like this, and then it has like a manual. It has like a manual in it. It is gorgeous. Firstly, look at it. It is gorgeous. Okay, and then it's got this type of adapter charging thing. It's got this thing. What else? Okay, this warning sign is basically telling me that I must always unplug it because of load shedding, and we have come to that point, you guys. Okay, so it's got like these functions here. So I don't think I'm gonna go through everything. Okay, she's got an on and off. What else I want to show? Okay, so this first one here, it says it is cool. Okay, it's off. Sorry, this first one here is off, and the second one, what did they say it is? It's cooler setting. This first one, number one, is a cooler setting, and then the third one here, it's low heat, low fan speed. Okay, this one, the third one, but the Roman 2. And then the third one, it's what did they say it is? It's high heat, high fan speed. Okay, when I'm trying it out, I'll go according to that order, because I don't know which one will work with my hair. Okay, I'm not afraid of the heat because I use this. I don't mind the heat, honestly. My hair is damp but almost dry. I've showered. I showered with it. I shampooed and conditioned it. This portion is dry, but like over here it's still like wet. So let me just plug it and see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray my hair with this heat protectant. I'm not sure how much you're supposed to use, but I will use it. Okay, I use it like a setting spray. Okay, so this is the brush. I'll start with the lowest setting, this one. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair into sections. I've rubbed in that setting spray, but no, not setting spray, that heat defense spray. How do I even do this? Just put some clips in. Oof. Baby. Okay, I'm gonna start on the front just because I want to start at the front. The other day I found a gray hair and it's right in the front. It was not a great day for me. Not a great day, absolutely not a great day. Okay, so let's try. Oh, you start the bottom, then the bottom up. I like it. I really like it. I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. And that was just the first setting. Okay, I'm not gonna, yeah. that was just the first setting, and I haven't like really gone down to the roots here. I'm still at the top because it's still wet, like the hair is still wet, like here and there, it's still wet. But yeah, it's all good. For now it's all good. I'm gonna put it into a high setting, because this is just the first setting, you guys. This is the first setting. That was the cool air. What was it? It's the cooler air. Yeah, it was the cooler air. Wasn't even on low heat. That was the cool air. So I like, it's just that I know my arm is gonna hate me. My arms are gonna hate me after this, but it's all good. I'm just gonna fast forward the whole process and probably squeeze in a TikTok here and there. But yeah, so far so good. So Okay, this brush, right? The only amount of hair that I lost in this whole process thing is, okay, let me put it down, is this much of hair, like this much. It's not hot. I know you guys saw that I was using this brush. It's just to have like more handle over my hair, because there was some big, like there's a part that was when I was still hair drying, there was some wet areas, so I didn't want to mix it up. Just wanted to have like control. Not that it's hot to a point where I need to hold with the brush. Don't get that wrong. You can still use it without the brush, the other brush. Okay. I thought I was gonna do my whole hair and everything and do the outro, but this I highly recommend. Let me check for the slip how much it was. It's not heavyweight, it's perfect. How much was this brush? So you know, if you want it, you just can go get it. Safeway hot air brush. It's $4.29. It's $4.29. So definitely worth the money. Just keep the slip if you have any issues. I'm hoping I won't have any issues, but is it worth the money? Definitely. For like a person like me who don't like doing like their hair at home, I'd recommend, definitely recommend. Just I don't even know when I started, but I think like I'm slow. I'm slow, so it took me like 30 minutes to hair dry my entire hair. Or was it less? I'm not sure, probably less than that, but definitely recommend. Go get it. Just a side note, guys, MPL, do you have a bigger jar than this? It's giving very much Alshon. It's giving Alshon, because this is I use this for my hair. So people who wanted to know what I use for my hair, this is what I use. Yeah. And I sometimes mix it with castor oil. Yeah, castor oil. Yeah, because it's just a hair food looking like this. I don't know, guys, is it me? I'm not looking, but it's just the size that I see in the shops. Yeah, this is the only size I've seen in the shops. Please, MPL, please do something. We need a bigger jar. We need a bigger jar. We really need a bigger jar. Like, this is a new I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish this, but come on now. Okay, I'm blabbing. I will catch you on my next one. Thank you for joining. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, please, for the algorithm. I know I'm not here all the time, but guys, please, for the algorithm, please like my comments. Not my comments, man, like my videos, so it will suggest it to other people. I'll see you on my next one.